Hi guys, how are you? Today we are talking about the DHCP server. We are going to do this scenario or this lab step by step. As we see here, we have 4 PCs. Each PC has a specific VLAN, and also we have two layer 3 switches, and finally we have the DHCP server. And this DHCP server will support or will give each PC its VLANs. So now we are going to configure. We are going to switch P. Sorry. We're going to switch to yes. And here. Now we are going to create VLANs because we don't show VLAN. We don't see any VLANs here. And now conf t VLAN 1. Sorry, VLAN 1, it's already exists. We start VLAN 2 and VLAN 3, VLAN 4, and VLAN 5. Now we are going to configure each VLAN to its IP addresses. VLAN 1 IP address 192.168.1.1.255.255.255.0. No shut. No shutdown. Exit. Interface VLAN 2 IP address 192.168.2.1.255.255.255.0. No shut. Also interface VLAN 3 for quick, just here, sorry, 3.1 and 4.1 and 5, last one, 5.1. So don't forget to do shutdown interface. We'll see range VLAN from 2, let's see, from 1 to 5. No shut. Exit. Now we finished about we created VLANs and we configure IP address for each VLAN. Now we are configure the interfaces. Here we have two kind of interfaces we will use. We will use this trunk, this from fast Ethernet 01 to 01. Here we will use trunk mode. Now we are going to configure switch to trunk mode interface fast Ethernet 01. Switch port, start with this splitter, switch port trunk encapsulation.1q and switch mode trunk. Here's we are ready. Now exit, and we want to use access mode for each 3 interfaces. Here we have access for VLAN 1, this interface, and here access VLAN for VLAN 5 for this interface. Finally we have here access also ports for VLAN 3. Now we are going to configure this interface fast Ethernet 05 for this VLAN. We see this. Now switch port mode access, switch access VLAN 5. Now exit interface fast Ethernet 06 and switch port mode access, switch access VLAN for VLAN 1. Yes. Exit interface fast Ethernet 03, switch port mode access and switch access VLAN 3. Okay, that's good. I think we finished and this switch SW2. We want to save our configurations. Now we are going to switch SW1 here, enable show VLAN. We don't see any kind of VLAN conft. Also we have to change its name as W1, and just in this switch we want to create just VLAN like this. VLAN 2, VLAN 1 is already exists, and VLAN 3, VLAN 4, VLAN 5, and VLAN 6. Look this, we don't need to configure IP addresses for each VLANs because we configured this in SW2, so we don't need, it's not necessary to do this in SW1. Just we want to configure ports on suitable negotiation, like fast interface, fast Ethernet 01, one switch port trunk encapsulation .1q, and switch port, sorry, just that's it, and exit. And now here we have fast Ethernet 04 and 2. For fast Ethernet 04 we want to use access for VLAN 4, and we here access for VLAN 2. Now interface fast Ethernet 04, switch port mode access, switch port access. I want to carry this VLAN 4 for this interface, and interface fast Ethernet 02. Now switch port, sorry, access, what is that, for VLAN 2, and the switch port mode access, I forget this, maybe, yes, here's. Now we are ready. So we configure the pre-requested configurations. Now we are going to configure DHCP. We want to configure DHCP in this switch. First of all, conft, we want to create DHCP pool. Sorry, we don't want, we have two choices here. We have, maybe we can configure DHCP pool here in this switch, and DHCP excluded, but we don't want this. We want to configure DHCP server in this server. So we need just here to configure IP address first statically, 192.168.3, maybe .2 for this, because we used 3.1 for interface VLAN. Now here, okay, 192.168.3.1, this is the default gateway for it. Now we are going to configure DHCP here. We want to create 4 VLANs, 1, 2, 4, and 5. We don't want to use 3 because 3 it's for DHCP server. Now server pool, we can name it for pool VLAN, maybe for VLAN 1 first. The default gateway 192.168.1.1. We can use DHCP server 19, maybe 192.168. maybe .10.10, like this. We are here. We want to just exclude this one. Start from 1.2 because we want to exclude the default gateway address. This is very important step, don't forget it. Now we want to use save. Server pool cannot be modified for edit. Okay, what is that? Maybe there's a problem here. I don't know why. Maybe we want to use just maybe for VLAN like this one, and 192.168.1.1 default gateway, 192.168.10.10. sorry, here we want to 1 and start from 2 to excluded. Then we want to use save. What is that? Why? So we want just add here like this. Yes, like this. Now we can this address pool 1. Okay, no problem. Now address pool 2 for VLAN 2, 192.168.2.1, also 192.168.10.10. then a server. Here we start from 2, not from 1, because we want to exclude this address. Now we can use add. We add it. Now VLAN 12, VLAN 4, 192.168.1, sorry, .4.1, 192.168.10.10. start from 4.2, sorry, 2. Now we can use add. The last VLAN 5, 192.168.5.1 default gateway. Then a server here, 192.168.10.10. we start from 5.2, sorry, excluded, just like add. Now we are just want to check for each one. 5.5.2, that's right. Then 4.1.2, that's good. And 2.1, 2.2, and here 1.1 and 1.2. So that's good. Now, okay, here we are going to just configure this to take it by DHCP. Let's see. Requesting IP address request failed. Why? Let's see here. DHCP server request, and also failed. And here, let's see here also. What is that? What is that? Let's check this interface. Show IP route. Show run. And here we are in IP routing. I think IP routing is good. Let's see, VLAN 1, VLAN 2. Yes. Wait a moment. We forgot to configure the IP DHCP helper, because we have here a DHCP server in different VLANs, in different network address, in different subnets. So we want to use IP DHCP helper. So in each VLANs, so we have here conft interface VLAN 1. We use IP DHCP, IP helper DHCP. Yes, helper address, and we want to destination IP address. This IP address, the IP address for DHCP server for VLAN 3. We are going here just to remember it. 3.2. So we are here to give 192.168.3.2. Just hit enter, exit. Also interface VLAN 2, we must add this address interface VLAN 4. We don't 3 because we don't need it, and 5 like this. I think here we are completely. Now we're going to 5 just to refresh it. Aha, I love it. Now we are taking 5.2 and 5.1. Here is the DNS server. That's good. And here also just a new. That's good. And now successful due to 2. That's good. And here, yes, I love it. Now we finished, but before we say goodbye we want to just to ping from different VLANs. Maybe we can see we want to ping from VLAN 1, from VLAN 2, sorry, to VLAN, let's see, VLAN 5. Ping 192.168.5.2 because IP address here is 2. Let's see. Give me some. Request time out. Maybe it's what's we can't say goodbye. What's the problem? Okay. Let's just to be sure here. 192.168.5.2 and what I printed here. 192.168.5.2. Okay, let's see .4.2. Also here 4.2 and 192.168.4.1. Let's see here, what is this? Show VLAN. VLAN 2 access VLAN, okay. And VLAN 1 show interface trunk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is 6? VLAN 6. I don't need it. But no problem, just let's see, just mode is auto, but it's trunking. I didn't use, maybe let's see conft interface fast ethernet 01 switch port mode trunk. Okay, show interface trunk. Here is we have on, but we can't move from VLAN access VLAN 4 to access VLAN 1. What is that? So it's not common sense. Let's see, from where to, from 2. Yes, it's paying. Okay, from 2 to 1. Let's see. Okay, it's paying. That's good. Let's see, from 1 to 4.1. What is that? So here's 4.1, 4.2. And what is the problem here? Let's see here. Show interface trunk. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. And the show. Let's see. Fuzzy 01. And also we are going show 1. See, show mode trunk. Show interface VLAN 3. There is a problem in 3.2. 1.1, 2.1, 4.1. Let's see here. See, just here's show run. What is the problem? Conft IP routing. Okay. what is that? So just let's see here. I don't know what is the problem, but let's see. Ping also another one from VLAN 4 here. Sorry, what is that? Let's use this just here. First we want to ping from VLAN 192.168.2.2. See. So request timeout. What's the problem here? So let's check it again. Maybe show IP route. Maybe show run. We don't see IP routing here. So let's configure it. Maybe this packet tracer, it's something strange sometimes. It's IP routing. Okay. And here, switch to show run. Let me see. We don't see IP routing, but I don't know why. Maybe there's conft IP routing. Show run. Now we got here. Oh my god, show IP route. VLAN 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's good. Let's see. Try it again. We can say goodbye now or what? Let's yes. So we pinged from VLAN 4 to VLAN 2. Let's see, from VLAN 4 to VLAN 5. Ping 192.168.5.2. See, give me some, my friend. Come on. Yes, I love it. Yes. So now, guys, we finished this DHCP server step by step. We saw every steps we want to configure it. We configured the trunk just for review. We trunk between two different switches, two layer 3 switches, and we configured access VLANs here and here, and we configured the DHCP server in VLAN in server. Yes. So here's what you can see. Yes, it's good. So have a nice day, and I hope this video it's good for you. So thank you and bye bye.